Standard 10, Chapter number 4, Geometric Constructions. Construction of a tangent to a circle at a point on the circle. We will see today difference between construction of a tangent. Construction of a tangent to a circle at a point using center of a circle, and construction of a tangent to a circle at a point without using center of the circle. These two constructions we will see today. Now, using center of the circle, we will draw this figure. We will construct. Take a distance in your compass as you like. You can draw the circle like this. Take a center of this circle, that is O. If we draw radius of the circle, like this, extend this radius, it means there is a formation of a ray through the point O. Put this one leg of a compass on the intersecting point of the circumference of a circle and a ray, and draw an arcs from both the sides. It means there is a formation of a line segment from between these two arcs. Put one leg of a compass on this point. Take a distance greater than half. It means we have to draw perpendicular bisector of this line segment. We will get the 2 points intersecting these two arcs. Draw a line through these arcs like this. So there is a formation of a tangent. It means there is a common point between a line and a point which lies on the circumference of a circle. So there is a formation of this tangent using center of the circle. Now we will draw without using center of the circle, a tangent. Take a distance in your compass as you like. We will draw the circle. Like this, we have drawn the circle. Take 3 points. It means we have to take the first point through which we have to draw the tangent. Without using center, there should be, take the 2 points A and B. Like this. We have to join these 2 points with the point C. There is a formation of a segment AC, formation of a segment CD when we join these 2 points. And if we join AB, there is a formation of a triangle ABC. Now when we draw a tangent through this point C, if a D point lies on that tangent, angle ACD, angle A, C and D, D point lies on this tangent. So angle ACD intercepts arc AC. Also angle ABC which is inscribed angle, it intercepts arc AC. So the measurement of angle ABC and ACD, that will be the same. It means these two angles inscribed in same arc, that is BC. Inscribed in same arc, that is BC. Angles in alternate segments. So we will draw the figure like this. Put this one leg of the compass at the point B. We will draw an arc like this. Also, taking same distance, we will draw the arc, putting one leg on the point C. Like this, we will draw the arc. We have drawn the arc. Take a distance between these 2 points. It means we have to draw the congruent angles, the measurement of the congruent angles. Put this leg on this point and draw this arc. So we will get the point through which we will draw the line. This line passes through the point C. It means it is a tangent which is through the point C, like this. So this is the construction of a tangent without using center of the circle. Thank you.